It smells just like peppermint. It smells good.
So we're going to the Cradle Mountain by bus.
I'd rather you put it in around the corner there, mate.
In the inside. Oh, thank you. Thank you for that. This little one.
Can't eat it. Oh, careful.
Careful, balloon.
Mummy and Daddy got masks on again.
Oh, this is adventure, dear. Dear, this is adventure. Big kiss, please.
Hiding around here, dear. Wallabies and wombats and everything in here. First time on a bus?
Yes, first time on a bus ever.
When we go to Strawn in Queenstown, there's a train. We can take the train. It'll be a first time on a train.
Yeah.
It's a steam train here. It's a tourist steam train.
So what? Everything mostly in Tasmania first
First time.
for her.
First travel.
Oh, nice.
Nice to stay there, wouldn't it?
Wow.
I don't even want to know how much you're going to charge.
400.
They can charge what they want there, innit?
This little bridge here, there's a fountain there. See? Waterfall.
Better be nice and crisp. I was actually lucky, dude.
Dee, it's good that we're at the very back. Show me, Christine. Dee, show me, Christine. Yay! Oh, there's the lake. But this is not St. Clair, Dee.
Wasn't I lucky, dear, to be able to come down here on the motorbike?
Oh, nice water. Dee, nice water.
Yeah, that'd be nice and crisp. Ooh, imagine showering that first thing in the morning. Ooh.
What is Christine doing, Dee?
She's happy.
Oh, why am I still wearing face mask?
Yes. See, what are they building here? Oh, that sounds nice.
G'day.
Jump in the pram, mate. I was thinking about that. I was going to throw the bunny here.
Very nice.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
Look at the little island in the...
Cute.
Cute.
Someone is awake.
Good, how are you?
Oh, let's go this one, please.
Where? Left or
Here
right?
first.
Left or right?
Left.
Right.
Wow. Willie.
I need to grab the front. If there's a step there, you need to grab the front.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, just
Up.
the front. Yep.
Another one.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, this one. 1, 2, 3. Up. Ah.
There you go. There you go.
It's okay. Sorry, sir, but the baba. Sorry, but the baba. She's singing. Sorry about that.
She lost her balance.
Yeah. Oh.
Come on. What? Did you get a bit of a fright? Did you get a fright? Mummy's a bit funny, isn't she, huh?
Oh wow, look at people there. On the stone.
Let's wipe these tears. A dig.
Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful.
Wow, nice.
Very nice.
Mr. Motorbike. Good. If I ever see my two mates that I went with, I'll say, hey, remember when we rode the bikes? You can't do it anymore.
Do you know them still?
Yeah, I grew up with them in their time. One of them's a police detective.
Huh?
One of them's a police detective.
Oh, cool. So all of your mates wanted to be a police?
Oh, they're brothers. No, those two are brothers. So the three of us put our bikes on in Melbourne. There you go, mate. Can I put you back in the pram?
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Oh, yes, Daddy. Oh, come here.
Or are these uncomfortable for you?
Very. Give me that
Mummy.
one.
Ooh, mummy.
Put that one here.
Yeah.
Wait.
Stand up. Stand up. Yeah, right.
Oh, Christine. Oh, wait. Oh, Christine. Wow.
Bribery, eh? Oh, the bribery system.
More.
She hasn't really made it the same we did.
She doesn't
Bribery.
understand.
No. Oh, nice. Oh, there's the boat shed. So the sign back there said 10-minute walk to the boat shed. That's the boat shed over there.
We go on top of them.
We're not going to stay here long, dear. It's too long for her.
So is this the Mount Cradle?
Cradle Mountain.
Cradle.
That's Cradle Mountain there. So this must be Lake St Clair, is it?
Yeah, maybe.
Wow. Proud to know that I've ridden a bike here. Yeah, we didn't pay the entrance fee or anything, dear. We just rode in and nothing.
Oh, I bet you are. Yeah, we're from Queensland. It's just nice you can actually get away now, isn't it?
Yeah, our wet season's been horrendous up there.
Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, you do. You certainly do.
She's missing playgroup, eh?
Christine, careful! She's way too clingy with meeting new people.
It's okay.
She's so sociable. Aren't you, Baba?
She's missing kids.
What's your name?
They're our scavengers. There's a stream here. Don't go off the track.
I'm in the track.
Don't go off the track.
It's a stunning mountain, Dee.
Be nice to have a campfire here, wouldn't it? So that was us
Yeah,
up there.
yeah. Oh no, there's a lot of steps
Yeah.
going up.
Yeah, so as I said, we'll just go to the steps again and turn around.
Oh, just here, ramp D. Just this ramp. I think this is the
I
door.
wonder if people have climbed up there.
Oh, nice ramp.
Oh, boat ramp. G'day, mate. Oh, they've got a boat ramp here.
Oh, the oh my God, there's a shark.
Nice, eh? Geez, very photogenic, isn't it?
Yeah.
You say picturesque.
I wonder if anybody's ever climbed up there. I mean, back in the day, surely the adventurous people would have climbed up there, wouldn't they?
Probably, yeah, I would think so.
Oh. Whee! Hey! What are you doing? Don't throw it.
Okay, let's go back there.
Enough?
Yeah.
Nice.
Beautiful. We can stay here. Imagine if that's our background.
Imagine if you can camp here. G'day, how you going? Geez, it'd be nice to be able to camp here, wouldn't it, eh?
Yeah.
How you going?
Thanks so much, yourself.
Very
Wow,
nice,
that's
dear.
nice.
Very nice.
Especially with the sun.
Yeah.
Looks nice.